Communication. As far as the dialogue is concerned, you have to read the whole dialogue at first, and then you read it once more and fill in the blanks or supply the missing parts. Now, let's try the first one. Complete the following exchanges. Number 1, good morning, sir. What for you? I want to report a theft. My car was stolen. Good morning, sir. What can I do for you? I want to report a theft. My car was stolen. Number 2, Susan, you look a bit pale. I feel terrible. What's wrong, Susan? You look a bit pale. I feel terrible. Read the following, then decide. Number 1, 3 loaves of bread, please. Here you are. Speaker A is a customer. Speaker B is a baker. Number 2, pass the ball to other team members. Okay, sorry for keeping it too long. Speaker A is a coach. Speaker B is a player. Supply the missing parts in the following dialogue. I am a doctor and I work for DWB. That's Doctors Without Borders. Well, I have been interested in medicine since I was a young girl. I started when I was 29. So, I have worked for DWB for 4 years. The best thing is also the worst thing. I have met a lot of fascinating people, but the work has not been easy. Yes, I do my job. It's basically about helping people. Tell me about your job. I am a doctor and I work for DWB, that's Doctors Without Borders. How long have you been interested in medicine? Well, I have been interested in medicine since I was a young girl. How long have you worked for DWB? I started when I was 29, so I have worked for DWB for 4 years. What do you like most about your job? The best thing is also the worst thing. I have met a lot of fascinating people, but the work has not been easy. Do you like your job? Yes, I do like my job. It's basically about helping people. Grammar revision. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. 1. My friends have arranged for the match we are playing next week. Are playing because it's a future arrangement. 2. How often does it rain in the Western Desert? Does, because it's the frequency of the action. 3. We are always ready to help you. Don't worry. 4. Is Alan usually late for school? Yes, sir. He hardly comes early. 5. My friends are coming today. Again, future arrangement. 6. I usually go to school by bus, but I sometimes take a taxi. Sometimes because it's the least frequency word. 7. Noah is reading a book now. He can't leave. It's an action happening at the time of speaking. 8. He is shouting at his brother. We can hear him shouting. It's happening at the time of speaking again. 9. My brother cycles to school every day. It's a repeated action. 10. We have missed the training every day this week, but it starts again on Monday. have missed cause there is a connection between the past and the present, and the action is still continuing in the present. 11. The elephant has a long trunk. 12. Are you studying well? 13. Nancy has a sister who is 4 years old. 14. Snowstorms have negative impact on small towns. It's a fact. 15. Either Charlie or Bill will write the report. Just one of them. Either or, cause only one of them is going to do the action. 16. You can use neither this computer nor the other one. Someone must fix them first. So, neither nor, cause both of them is not ready to be used. 17. My grandparents used to walk to work when they were young, but now they have a car. Used to, cause it's a past habit. They no longer do the action. 18. How often does the tutor evaluate your assignment? How often? Cause you're asking about the frequency of the action. 19. How long has he been abroad? Since he was graduated. You're asking about the duration of the action. 20. The children have already had their meal. I did the washing up a few minutes ago. 21. Neither the minister nor the governor is available now. Neither nor. The verb is in the singular form. Remember. 22. Did Omar used to practice a martial art as a child? Asking about a past habit, so used to. 23. Neither of the players is ready for the league. They haven't practiced appropriately. Neither, cause it means none of them is ready to take part in the league. Rewrite using the words in brackets to give the same meaning. 1. Ben is fond of playing chess, but when he was young, he wasn't interested in it. This is a past habit. So, Ben didn't used to play chess when he was young. 2. One of the famous surgeons, Bill or Adam, will perform the surgery. Since it's Bill or Adam who's going to perform the surgery, we're going to use either or. Either Bill or Adam will perform the surgery. 3. She has worked on this design for 3 hours. She has worked on this design since 2 o'clock, for example. 4. Ali is 11. He has lived in Luxor since he was born. Ali has lived in Luxor for 11 years. 5. The 3 brothers are busy studying. They have no time to go for a swim. None of them has time to go for a swim. 6. Tom has to contact you. Omar has to contact you. Both Tom and Omar have to contact you. Have, cause we use the plural form of the verb when we use both. 7. The last time I watched a movie was last week. I haven't watched a movie for a week. 8. During the party, she felt ill. She felt ill as she was having a party. 9. A. Tom is so messy. He is always throwing his clothes around. Is always throwing cause it's an annoying or a bad habit. B. Ned has just baked some chocolate chip cookies. Don't they smell great? Has just baked cause you can smell the baking of the cookies. It is related. It has an effect on the present. 10. A. That blue skirt fits Jane perfectly. B. She was trying to call her son who lives abroad all morning, was crying, cause all morning. C. You're always making noise in class. Go out. Again, it's an annoying habit or a bad habit. D. While I was driving fast, my car broke down. I was driving fast when my car broke down. 11. The last time I saw him was 3 months ago. I haven't seen him since October, for example, since July, since May, whatever month is accepted. 12. A. My brother is getting married next Saturday. Is getting cause of next Saturday. It's a future arrangement. The boys aren't in the room. Do they play in the garden? It's are they playing in the garden? Cause the action is happening at the time of speaking. C. You're always talking in class. Are always talking? Cause it's an annoying habit. D. This shirt costs a lot of money. Costs. Cause it's a stative verb. 13. A. The Prime Minister is giving a speech on the television right now. B. We're cleaning the kitchen. Do you want to come and give us a hand? C. I have worked in this establishment since 2004. D. My friend Carla shops abroad every year. 14. A. Has she ever lived in a foreign country? Cause of the ever. B. I admitted I was wrong. Admitted cause was. C. How did you know it was going to rain? No, cause of the did. D. Jack used to study Spanish in the past. Study cause after used to, the verb is in the infinitive. 15. A. It has been foggy for some days. B. He has been fishing since 6 o'clock. C. They have lived in France for 8 years. D. The pilots have been on strike for 2 months. E. We've had a terrible weather since Saturday. F. Things have changed since he became the headmaster. 16. A. Neither Sue nor Sarah will help you with your homework. They are both busy at the moment. B. This is my offer. You either take it or leave it. C. His father believed neither his son nor his friend. He thought that both were lying. D. I need either your help or your compassion. I can perfectly handle my problems all alone. 17. A. We haven't played our holiday yet. Haven't played because of the yet. B. Last July, I went to visit my relatives in Barcelona. C. He knew a lot of people while he was staying in California. D. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It is raining. E. He has written 5 letters so far. F. I haven't met her since her birthday.